Hi, good morning. I will start the session now. The last class we discussed about the locators, how we can address web element to the web driver. How do you address the web element to the web driver? What is the syntax for that? Driver dot find element by dot locator of locator value. Locator of locator value. Syntax to address web element is a driver dot find element by dot locator of locator value. Whereas WebDriver supports 8 types of locators. One is ID, which is unique property value of web element. Most of the cases, ID is going to be unique. Then what is the syntax? A driver dot find element by dot ID of ID value, like this. Second one is name. It is also same like ID, but sometimes name value may not be unique. Syntax driver dot find element by dot name of name value. Take an example, suppose. Write script to perform login operation in facebook.com. Now see that if I want to initialize the browser, so WebDriver equal to new Firefox driver.manage.window.maximize, then driver.get facebook.com, then to enter inside queue in email 8 box. First open the application in Firefox browser. Inspect the element. How do you inspect the element? Using WebDriver. Firebug is there. Just to press Ctrl on the element, right click on mouse, go to inspect element with Firebug. Now input attribute value. See, ID value is there here, email. Just to click on that value of ID, it highlights. Use Ctrl C, copy, then write the script here. Driver dot find element by find element by dot ID of email dot send keys inside queue. Then I want to enter the password. Driver dot find element by dot ID of inspect the password web element. Again press Ctrl here, right click on mouse, inspect element with Firebug. ID pass is there. Copy this, paste. Dot send keys. Some value Mercury I want to enter. Then to click on login. Again inspect the login. right click, inspect element Firebug, ID login button is there, copy it, write the script, driver.find element, by.id of login button dot click. Now see, send keys is the method or command which we can use to perform the key-based operations. Okay. There is a send keys. Click is the method which we can use to click on a button or image like this. This is a script I created. Now you can run it. Like this going to perform the operation. Is it clear? Now we'll see one more example. Write script to perform login operation in new tools.demoaut.com. Write script to perform login operation in new tools.demoaut.com. Now under Java project, under SRC folder, create the package. In the package, create the class. Class is the actual return place of Java program. Mercury tools login public static void main. Finish. WebDriver a driver equal to a new Firefox driver. WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize to maximize the window. Then to open the application, driver dot get http newtools.demoaut.com. newtools.demoaut.com. This is the driver dot get. Okay, then open the application. Now see that you need to open the Firefox browser. You, Eclipse is open Firefox browser means during runtime you won't get the add-ons. Okay, no add-ons are going to get. Now username. Inspect the username. Inspect element with Firebug. Type, size, name, username. Copy the value. Driver dot find element by dot name of username dot click. Now I want to enter the password. Driver dot find element by dot name. Name password. Password I need to copy. Copy it. Paste. I want to enter the value in username 8 box. Dot send keys. This is valid username. Same password also I want to go. Send keys. Mercury. Mercury lowercase. Both are valid for this application. Then I want to click on sign in. Inspect this element also. So here, what is the name is there? Login. Copy that. Driver dot find element by dot name login dot click. So successfully it is performed login operation. Like this. What are the locators we discussed here? ID, name. Third one is class name. Also one of the attribute value of web element, but it is not unique. Most of the cases it is not unique. But this one also you can use the syntax driver dot find element by dot class name value like this. So it is also one of the attribute value of web element, but it's not unique. Okay, let us see the example here. Script, I'll copy here. Okay. Now this is the script to open the facebook.com. So to perform login operation. Now I want to write the script to enter the password value using class name. Then how to write the script here? Driver dot find element by dot class name. One of the important question interview point of view. Now inspect the password. What is the ID? Class is there. Input text is there. Copy it. Input text, send keys. Like this. Now you observe that what is the class name? Input text. Email headbox class also same thing is there. What is there? For email headbox class is input text only is there. Here also we have the input text. What I told that how WebDriver is able to identify the application objects for execution time, it will start the searching from the root tag. From here it go into tags. Each tag attribute values will be there. No? So now which tag is matching with this attribute values, according to that it go to perform the operation. When it started search here like this, search here, so first email inbox is matching with a given class name. After that only we are getting the password. Now what will happen? You observe that. Where it is going to perform the operation. Now where it is entered the value? Email, not in the password. That means which object matches. First, that object going to perform the operation. If there are similar objects are existing with the same locator value, so which object first matches, that object WebDriver identify and perform the operation. Okay, that is another important question. Not during runtime. From the root tag, WebDriver will search similar properties, similar locator value web element. If similar objects exist in a page, then WebDriver will identify first web element, whichever it is, match. That is the concept here we have. The fourth one, link text. Generally, link text will be used for the hyperlinks. For links. Hyperlinks. Whereas links tag name will be a anchor tag. A means anchor tag. So if anchor tag is there, then we can use visible link name as a locator to identify corresponding web element. What is the syntax here? Driver dot find element by dot link text. Driver find element by dot link text visible link name. Now see in the same place, so forgotten account is there. Let us inspect this one. Right click. Say you are not getting the Firebug means this is open. This browser is opened by the Eclipse in safe mode. You won't get the inspect element with Firebug option. See, close it. Because safe mode going to open means no add-ons we are going to get, no history we are going to get. Right click. Inspect element with Firebug. Now you observe what is the tag name. A is there. A means anchor tag. For anchor tag web element if you see, so how the code is so a data something is there reference. Is there any attributes for this for anchor tag? No. ID is there? No. Name is there? No. Class name is there? No. Okay, like this type of elements what you have to do. So before ending with the anchor tag, there is some text is there, which we can see here, same text. Click here. And a visible text, you can copy that here. So see, it has to click that link. Yes, it is going to click that link. Okay, like this. Same way, another locator is there. Partial link text. Also used for the hyperlinks. Know the syntax for this. And driver dot find element by dot partial link text. A link name, partial link name you can do like this. One minute more. Partial link text means like this. Oh, instead of giving that entire text, some portion you can give. Driver dot find element by dot partial link text. I can say account dot click. This is partial link text. Name is partial. Complete link text is not partial link text. Now if you run it is like this. Sixth one, tag name. In general, tag name is to perform operations on similar type of web elements. Engine tag name is to perform operations on similar type of web elements. Syntax driver dot find elements of by dot tag name of example list of web element objects equal to driver dot find elements by dot tag name of a, like this. How many tags are there with a anchor tag? In that case, all the information I'm going to get, okay, into this object. This is all the list of objects information going to maintain the object. The object class considers a list. In the list, it's going to maintain the all the values. Okay, like this. Okay. You practice these examples. Now, I will send these notes. You practice this example. So tomorrow we are going to discuss the another important one, XPath and the CSS selector. Okay. You try these things today. The examples you practice. Tomorrow we'll discuss the XPath and CSS selector, which are important.
Sir, can you share video classes also, sir?
I will share.